It's okay. Go ahead. Chew on your pencil. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. Hey there, today we're making these adorable pencil sugar cookies that are perfect for end of year teacher gifts. I hope you'll decorate along with me. All of the supplies are listed in the description. So I'm going to start with a yellow icing in about a 15-second consistency, and I'm just going to make a little zigzag pattern here at the bottom of the pencil, and then go ahead and outline the rest of the yellow part of the pencil. It's okay to stop and start. I'm going to touch down my line and then lift up my piping bag slightly, and then watch where my line is falling rather than my piping bag as I lay my line down. And then I'll just fill this in with the exact same icing. I'm not going to go all the way to the edge on the side. Rather, I'll use my scribe, or you can use a toothpick to push the icing over. And we just want to get the icing nice and smooth. So use your scribe or your toothpick in a circular motion and push that icing over to the edge. And you want to make sure you pop any air bubbles. And if you lay your scribe or toothpick kind of on its side, it'll pop those air bubbles and bring them to the surface real easy. And then I'm immediately going to grab my tan colored icing, also in about a 15-second consistency. Maybe it's a little bit thicker, but a 15-second consistency is what you're looking for. And I'm going to flood this in. I'm going to go right up against that yellow, and then I'll use my scribe to settle this all down. It is a little thicker than a 15 seconds, so it's going to take me a little bit more time to work it all smooth, but it can be done. And then when this dries, it will be one solid surface, and we're going to do the same thing with the black. So go right up against that tan. It's okay if you make kind of a jiggity jaggedy zigzaggy line into your pencil. That just makes it look more realistic. And then grab your scribe and settle that down, pop any air bubbles as needed. This is a wet on wet technique, and when it dries, there won't be any defining line between the yellow and the tan and the black. And then we'll just move on down to the eraser and outline and flood that in. My pink icing is also about a 15-second consistency. And as always, you need to scribe it and get it nice and smooth. And then I set my cookie aside to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes before coming back in with my white icing to fill in this last little bit. You could also use a gray icing, but I didn't have any made, so I'm just going to paint it with a silver metallic edible paint later on. And you can see here, because we let the yellow and the pink icing dry a little bit, there will be definite areas of separation between these two. I let my cookie dry completely, and now I'm coming back in with some edible dust and some of the color solution from the sugar art, and I'm just going to make up a gray metallic paint here and paint this part gray. And then I'm using my projector and Canva to write the word thank you on this cookie. You could also put a teacher's name, or you could just leave it as it is without putting any writing on it whatsoever. It's all adorable. My writing icing is about a 20 to 25-second consistency. I have a thin hole in my piping bag, and I'm just going slow and tracing the letters as carefully as I can. And I'm just going to touch down and lift up. I'm keeping my piping bag close to the cookie, and I'm just going to go around and almost use it just like I would if I was writing with a pen or a pencil. And then I can use my scribe, or you can even use a very slightly dampened paintbrush to push down any start or stop peaks. And then I decided I wanted to add a couple of lines across the pencil here to add some dimension, and I painted those with the metallic gray also when I was finished. And these pencils are super cute with or without the words, but they make a great thank you gift for teachers at the end of the year. It's a super sweet way to say thank you, and it's better than getting another mug. So your homework for tonight is to write me a note in the comments and let me know what you think of these pencils. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.